Canal City. Dinner. Oh, we can create our own. Oh, there's cheese katsu. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh, that looks good too. Gotta crush it up and then mix in the tonkatsu sauce after. Ooh, smells so nutty. This is the tonkatsu sauce. I think it's usually a bit sour, made with fruits and veggies. And then it will balance out the nuttiness from the sesame seed. This is the loin katsu, and I got the tender loin katsu, which seems more tender and juicier. But both are really, really awesome. Super juicy, super nutty. Really well fried. She got her little 10-cent snack thing, and in front of her favorite anime. He's my favorite.
He's my
Todo
favorite.
is my favorite. She's been saying Muji, Muji all day. Here we go. Ladies' pajama. Let's see. Last day, well, last full day in Fukuoka. We're gonna go see the cherry blossoms at the forget the name, the park. But first, we're gonna get some coffee to get our day started. We're on the way to a knife shop, but we ran into this temple. It looks really cool, so let's go check it out. What is that? Oh wow, it's really beautiful. We finally found the cherry blossoms.
Knives.
Yeah. See how thick it is? It's for like bones, like fish bones. Do you have wood handle? Wood, yes, wood handle. I want like a wood handle, Japanese style. This is for like filleting fish, butchering meat. This is just for general chef's knife. I just treated myself to some amazing Japanese knives. They're gonna sharpen it for an hour, so we're gonna grab some lunch, yakiniku that we reserved for lunch, and then come back. Alright, we're at Yakiniku no bakuro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was by far the favorite meal of this trip. It's literally, if I had to die, that would be my last meal. Like, it was that good. Get the yakisuki with the egg. It's like the thinly sliced fatty beef that you dip into the egg yolk. Man, that's the best bite ever. Best bite. Highly recommend. Wow. Yeah, it looks like we're a bit early for the cherry blossom season. We see a lot of the buds not fully opened yet, but either way, it's still pretty beautiful. I think worth coming out here if you like cherry blossoms. Pro tip, if you haven't been to the department stores in Japan, you have to.
What are these?
Mochis? Department store sushi is also one of the best things. Quick food break. Just finished all the shopping, just wrapping up our day, just grabbing some snacks as we're walking back to the hotel. Just a quick family mart run, and then we gotta get to the hotel and start packing.
Salad.
Cantaloupe bread. There's like cream filling inside. That's really good. My first time visiting Japan, I had this like 6 times in like 3 days. Oh. Yeah. Canal City and Grand Hyatt. Last day in Japan, we're at the Narita airport in Tokyo. Just waiting to check into our flight, but we wanted to grab a meal before, and I believe this is warm soba with tendon, so tempura bowl. But yeah, after this, we're off to the Bay Area again. So it's a little bittersweet, but at least we're getting a good meal in. Let's eat. Itadakimasu.